Okay, guys, let's do 7-4, elimination using multiplication. Okay, so this time, guys, we're going to use a multiplication method, which is really, really easy and fun to use. These are the steps, guys, which are in the video. You will multiply at least one equation by a constant, meaning by a number. Then we will, once you multiply that, then you will add them together to cancel one of the variables. Then, of course, you solve for one of the variables, and then you substitute like we learned how to do in 7.1 and 7.2. So let's start by doing example 1. Okay. So and this one, guys, we're going to go step by step so we can actually get this done. And I need you to be patient. It's not that hard at all. Okay. So let's look at this, and then let's see how far we can get. So we got example 1. Let me move my beautiful picture to this side over here. And let's see how we can get this. Okay, so that's what we have right there. And they kind of walk us through the steps, but sometimes that could be confusing. So I hope it is not. You need to decide if you're going to eliminate either the x or the y. This coefficients of these numbers here, these constants over here, they don't have much to do with this, guys. So if you want to eliminate the x, you need a negative here, and then make this a 10, so you can eliminate that. If you wanted to eliminate the y, you could multiply by 5 everything, and you will be able to do that. The book will guide us in canceling the x's right there. So please be patient. So what they're doing here, with your permission, let me see if I can make this just a little bit bigger. There we go. And this is what they're going to do. They're going to cancel that, and to do that, of course, they'll be able to guide us in doing it just a little bit different. Let me see. Yeah, okay, I got that. So let me just go back to this, and let me see if I can get this a little bit bigger, because it would be nice if we can get it back to this. Okay, let me see if we can. Oh no, we can't. Okay, sorry guys, I need to make it just a little bit smaller so I can find my pen, which is right about here. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to multiply here, this one, by -2. Okay, because that will give us a -10 that we're looking for. See, so what we have here really is, let me, if I can go just right here to the left. So what we're really multiplying is -2 times the quantity of this right there, guys. And let me see if I can get that, which is just 5x minus 3y equals to -7. Okay, sorry that is not in there. And then what we need to do here is kind of just go inside once, twice, and all the way to the end, guys. So we're going to get a new equation, which is going to be -10x positive 6y, because that's what we're getting there. And then a positive equals to positive 14. Now this one right here, guys, we're going to put right underneath. We're going to replace this whole thing, all of it, by that, and that's what we're going to try to do, okay, basically, in a nutshell. So here it will be -2, and then of course we're going to multiply that, and then of course -2 on the end, right there. So we're going to get exactly, let me just see if I can get that in different. So we're going to get -10x plus 6y equals positive 14. Okay. With that in mind, guys, then we're set to do some really good things. Okay. Let me just erase all that. And I'm going to go up, and I'm going to just put this up just a little bit there, guys. Okay. And then here, guys, then we add. After we're done with this, we're going to come here and we're going to add this. But if we do add here, these two are going to go away. And we add the 5 and the y, and we got 11y. So, and then once we have that, guys, once we have this, please notice, once we have that, let me see if I can get this. Let me see. Okay, there we are. Okay, once we have that, guys, we need to add this to, which will be 11y. Then we need to divide everything by 11. Everything by 11. So we're going to get y equals to, let me see, that will cancel this out. it will be y equals to 4. Okay. So y equals to 4. See, this is why we did that, so we can get one answer right there. Okay. So if we get one answer there, we're in business. And with that in mind, guys, then it's really, really simple. All you have to do now, taking this into mind, is that we can go over here and we can substitute this y into any of the equations here, guys. So we can go here and say any of the y's to find the value of x. So we can either substitute it here for y, or we could substitute it over here for y. It does not matter. You get exactly the same answer. So let me just try that. So if we were to go 10x plus 5 times the quantity of y equals to 30. I'm doing the first one. Okay. And let me change the color. We said it was 4. So we got 10x plus 20 equals to 30. Now you can see it. Oh my gosh, that's easy, because here we can subtract 20, guys. And if we were to add it here, which we're going to try to do, then we can see immediately that this will cancel out, and we end up with 10x, right, equals to 10. And there you are. We're going to finalize this, guys, by dividing both sides by 10, by 10, by 10. And therefore, we have x equal to 1. So we need to put this answer in a very alphabetical order. So we're going to go like, okay, x goes first, so that goes in there, and then y is 4. So if we were to actually graph this, guys, that will intersect at 1, 4. So x is 1, and 4 would be the next one right there. Okay. So let me, basically, that's what you see in the next page. Oh, sorry about that. Let me see if I can see they follow with this until you get this answer, and then we find that just like that. So let's try to do this one right here. Yes, we'll erase all this here. And let's try this for practice, guys. Let's what will it be? How can we cancel something like this? Let me see if I can. Let's make it big, guys, and then I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna see if I can find my, oops, let me see if I can go here. There it is. I can find my pen. I'm gonna go back. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna leave that one right there, and then I'll go here. Okay, I cannot quite do it the way I wanted to. Shoot. Okay. Okay, so let me go here, and I'm gonna change to my pen right there. And before I do that, I'm gonna erase that, and I'm gonna go back to my pen. Okay. Okay, I wanna close that off. Okay, so if I have that, guys, you can see that the x will be hard to eliminate, but not this one, guys. So if we can were to go like this, and we can say, well, what if I multiply by -2? We can cancel the y's. So we will leave the top to be the same, 13x plus 14y equals to 59. See that? But the bottom would change. The bottom would change, guys. See, we're gonna go like here, and like there, and like there. So this will be -8x. See that? And then this one will be the ideal one. That's what we wanted. We wanted to cancel the y's. And then, of course, we're going to multiply that times that, and that would be, I think, -74. And now we're going to add it. And that's what we wanted to do right there. See? And, of course, 13x minus 8y, that would be 5x. And over here, guys, I'm going to get 59 minus 74. I think it will be -15. Now, if I was to, let's see if I can get, if I was to divide by 5, I will have the answer to be x equals to -3. And of course, this -3 right there, then I will just substitute maybe right there for that. And then I could find the other one, which would be 4 times -3 plus 7y equals to 37. And then I will solve for y, guys. Let me see if I can somehow go back over here. Okay, I'm stuck here. Okay. Okay, that's because I was here, guys. But that way you can see that you can get an answer right away, guys. Okay, you will be able to get a. Your job is to find the answer for y. That will be negative 12. You will add 12 to that side, and it will be 49 divided both sides by 7. It will be 49 divided by 7 will be that. So therefore, the answer will be, guys, it will be negative 3 for x, and then 7 for the other one. I mean, I just solved it mentally, guys. Hopefully, you can do the same. Okay. All right. Let me see if I can stop this. If I can. Okay, so I need to